Welcome to the channel. We will talk today about how to fortify your finances in uncertain times. Right now, it can feel like the financial ground is shifting beneath our feet. The news cycle is overwhelming, the markets are unpredictable, and it is easy to feel a sense of panic or paralysis. But here is the most important thing to remember: in times of chaos, the most powerful thing you can do is focus on what you can control. You cannot control the global economy, but you can control your response to it. So, today, we are not just talking about surviving, but we are building a step-by-step plan to fortify your finances, reduce your stress, and emerge from this uncertainty stronger than ever. Assess and acknowledge the financial triage. Before we can build, we need to know what we are working with. Step 1 is a financial triage. This is about getting a clear, honest, and non-judgmental snapshot of your finances. This is your assignment. Block 1 hour of quiet time. Open a spreadsheet or grab a notebook. We want you to write 3 numbers. First, your total liquid cash. How much do you have in checking and savings accounts right now? Second, your essential monthly expenses, such as rent/mortgage, utilities, groceries, minimum debt payments, insurance. Third, your total debt. The full outstanding balances on all loans and credit cards. This is not about shame. It is about intelligence. You cannot make a plan if you do not know the starting point. This clarity is the first step toward reducing anxiety. Let us now talk about the Uncertainty Fund, your financial shock absorber. In a stable world, we aim for a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. In uncertain times, that cushion becomes your primary focus. We call it the Uncertainty Fund. Your goal is to build a cash buffer that covers your essential monthly expenses from step 1. Start with an initial target of 1 month's worth. This fund is your shock absorber. It is what allows you to navigate a job loss or unexpected expense without going into panic mode. How to fund it? This requires a temporary wartime budget. Cut all non-essential expenses such as subscriptions you do not use, eating out, and luxury purchases. Every extra dollar goes to this fund. Consider it your most important financial priority. Next is the debt defense and how to lower your financial burn rate. When income is uncertain, your goal is not to pay off all of your debt. It is to lower your monthly financial obligations, your burn rate. Here are action steps. Contact your lenders. Call your credit card companies, student loan servicers, and mortgage lenders. Ask about hardship programs, which can lower interest rates or minimum payments temporarily. Pause optional payments. If you have been paying extra on low-interest debt like a mortgage, pause that and redirect that cash to your uncertainty fund. Avoid new debt. This is not the time to finance new cars or furniture. Preserve your cash and credit. The goal is to reduce the amount of money that must leave your account every month, giving you more breathing room. Do strategic investment, or the do not panic plan. This is the hardest part for many people. Seeing your investment portfolio drop is terrifying. But the worst thing you can do is make emotional decisions. If you are investing for the long term for over 5 years, history shows us that markets have always recovered. Do not sell low. In fact, if you have a steady income and your uncertainty fund is built, this can be a time to continue investing as you normally would. You are buying shares at a discount. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it is a powerful wealth-building strategy. If you are nearing retirement, your asset allocation should already be conservative. Now is the time to review it with a financial advisor to ensure your risk level is appropriate. Your priority is capital preservation. Do income diversification and create multiple streams. Relying on a single source of income is a single point of failure. Uncertainty is the best motivation to diversify your income. Think creatively and monetize a skill, such as freelance writing, graphic design, virtual assisting, consulting. Leverage assets. Rent out a room, your car, or a parking space. Sell unused items. Turn clutter in your home into cash on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Do part-time gigs. Explore flexible, remote-friendly opportunities. Even an extra few $100s a month can increase your financial security and reduce anxiety. Finally, control the controllable. Uncertainty can make us feel powerless. But as you have seen, there is so much within your control. You can control your spending, you can control your savings rate, you can control your reaction to the markets, and you can control your effort to diversify. So, focus on executing this plan. This is how you build resilience. This is how you sleep better at night, regardless of what the news says. What is the first step you are going to take? Share your goal in the comments. And if this guide brought you peace of mind, please give this video a like and subscribe for more practical strategies to build your financial confidence. Thank you.